Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 500. The Fiat 500 offers exciting models infused with style, technology, and convenience features to make life on the go more personalized and comforting. And with so many original ways to personalize every Fiat 500, your individuality will be recognized wherever you go. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.